my Ipsy bag. I was a little nervous that Ipsy was going to send my bag to the other house. But I caught them in time and they sent it here. So I got it like a couple days ago. I'm using Suave 24-hour protection, by the way. Tropical Paradise. So I got it and I figure I feel good enough. And I want to show you what I got. By the way, I'm really loving this freaking bag. You guys know that these are my colors. These are my colors. Look at my...
Can you see? Can you see my... You can't even see. Oh, here. Can you see my toes?
They're the same color as the bag. Anyway, I just got out the shower. I'm about to go take Angie to lunch. But I want to show you this. So this is the July 2019 Ipsy bag. See you next month. But before you go, on August 2nd, you can add additional products to your August glam bag starting at just $3. Interesting. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with some dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmery budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. You guys know that's exactly what I need because, you know, I'm outside all the time and I'm always sweating. So we're gonna start off with, which I can't show you this because I already took a shower, but I am going to use this. This is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. And it has the vitamin C, so you know vitamin C is always good. So it comes with this. It also comes, hold on, I need the fan.
This is way too hot up in this piece. I have no air conditioning in here, so yeah. You might hear the fan. But that's besides the point.
Okay, so this I really like. This is the Hemp's Herbal Body Moisturizer in Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. It's for the body. Our skin has never looked, felt, or smelled better thanks to the moisturizing hemp seed oil in this tropical scented body cream. It also is formulated and hydrating with pineapple extract and antioxidants, loaded honey melon extract to help nourish, repair, and soften the skin. Okay, so after bathing, which I just did, lather a generous amount of the moisturizer all over damp skin. Be sure to add a little extra onto areas prone to dryness like your elbows and knees. I don't really have that issue, but I have it here because the sun hits me here and it tries to dry out my skin and make me look old. But we're gonna do it on our elbows anyway. We need a, this smells so good, guys. Then when you sweat, which we all know I do because I'm always doing something. Then when you sweat, it's gonna smell. It's gonna smell like pineapple and mango freshness. Okay, you know what? I need to put some on my knees. My legs do get dry, actually.
So sassy.
Okay. Benefit. Okay, the next one is Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Curling Mascara. I was pretty excited to try Benefits because I don't buy stuff like that, okay? So this is like a little splurge because we all know I be pinching them pennies, but $10 a month and you get name brand stuff? Girl, it is okay to spend $10 on yourself a month. Okay? Just saying. So, Benefit Cosmetics creates so many beloved products like the curling mascara. The unique hook and roll brush grabs separate lifts curls with the instant curve setting formula, conditioning your lashes and staying put for 12 hours. Can't wait to make a splash. Go ahead. It's also water resistant. I didn't know that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's zoom in just a tad. How about that? Zoom, baby. No? Yeah? Zoom, 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 zoom. Tumba la casa, tumba la casa. I'll zoom later. Okay. Focus. Look at my mirror right here. Okay, so this is before. Those are my actual lashes. And let's do one at a time and see what this actually does. Tumba la casa, tumba la casa. Okay, you're supposed to roll it, right guys? Roll it. It is actually waterproof because I put it on yesterday. I cheated. I just had to try it. It really works. So, look at them lashes. Oh God. My God. I don't even need no falsies today, girl. See? Before, after. Let's do the next side. So I'm rolling it, rolling. Get these little baby hairs right here. There. Yes, honey. Honey boo boo baby. So that's the lashes. Can you see from the side? Can you see the lashes from the side? Girl, let's back you up a little bit. I said back you up a little. Can't be too close the whole time. Look, I mess with my face here. That's what we do, ladies. We don't know how to not touch our face. Okay, next is Trust Fund Beauty nail polish. And it's in the color Where's My Money? Where's my money, B? Where's my money, B? This is the color. I'll do it on my longest nail, which is my pinky, I guess. Guys, I really need to do my nails. I'm going to do them, but I needed new nail polish. Well, this is one coat. It's nice and shiny. It's natural-ish. I guess if I put another coat, come on. If I put another coat, I'll do another coat. We got the Wet n Wild. Now this is cheap. This is the cheap stuff, obviously, Wet n Wild, but it's cheap, but it's great product, okay? It's the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Crown of my Canopy. And I used it already, so where the heck did I put it? Here we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this all over my face. Here it is right here. You could buy this at CVS if you wanted, but Crown of my Canopy. I have another one, and I love the other one, but this one is the newest one. So let me look here. I don't know where it is. So we're not gonna worry about that. But I'm gonna take my little brush here. This is a brush that actually came with it. It's a blush brush, but I'm not using it for blush. I'm using it for bronzer. Okay. Let's zoom you up again, so you can see. So you can see. Okay. We want a lot because we want to shine bright like a diamond. Focus. 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 Yes. Okay. I'm sweating. Okay. I'm just putting putting it all over. I want to shine. And this gives you that natural glow. Whoop, look at that. Shines so good, the brush wants to just jump out of my hands. Oh yes. Can you see it? Can you see the shine? It just gives you, let's put it on my chest. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah. Just down there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was the 5th product. So I would say, like, if you want to get this look, but it's really just, this is like really natural. But I'm gonna use the brow thingamajiggy from Benefit Gimme Brow that I got the last time in my Ipsy bag, which I changed my hair color in Ipsy because this is a light brown and I need darker brows, because although my hair is like blonde, my brows are darker, so light brown doesn't really do much for my eyebrows, as you can see. Gotta keep my eye on time because my friend JoJo is waiting for me to go have lunch with her, and Angie's going to play, which is one reason why I like going to the lunches, because it's a time for kids to go and they eat lunch together and they play for a second together at the schools, and it's just a good, not that, you know, she really enjoys it. She likes going. Okay, got some brows on, and that's about it. Maybe some lip gloss. So my lip, so I love this freaking bag. I need to get a pocketbook, because I'm gonna put that in my pocketbook. This is my, well, no, this isn't. This is by Bath and Body Works. Oh, it is holiday tradition. Nah, it's Vanilla Bean Noel. Yes, it is. I love this winter Noel, or Vanilla Bean Noel is my favorite scent. But you can only get it in the winter, so I try to like pile on. All right, guys. So if you want to get the Ipsy bag, or if you have it, comment below and tell me, do you love it? Or would you rather them change something? I just started getting them. I used to have, oh, let me paint this other nail. I used to get the other one, not Ipsy. I forgot. Birchbox? I don't remember. Whatever. I used to get that. And that was like 20 bucks a month, but this is good. So this is a second coat of, what was it again? Where's my money, B? Okay, so it's just like a light pink. Oh, where's my mouth? Where'd my mouth go? Anyway, I'm being silly. I gotta go. I gotta go do stuff. I want to do this hair today somehow, and I'm still putting up a bunch of decorations in my house. How about I put my glasses on now, because I need to see, and I can't. But I can see, I just can't focus good without my glasses. So yeah, I gotta go hang some pictures and stuff like that, and so I'm gonna go now. Those are my things to do today after I get back from lunch, which will probably be an hour. So yeah, comment below if you want to get Ipsy, if I convinced you, if you like the products that I'm getting. Just click on the link below and you can get the Ipsy too, and you can pick all your little things that you want to try out, like I did. and then you will help me out. I think every person that you give your link to you get $5 for every person who joins under your link. So if you are a YouTuber and you want to do it and you sign up under me, then you start doing it, and then you put your link in your description, and anybody who signs up after that, you get the $5. You catch my drift? So what the hell happened here?
What the hell? I don't understand how that happened. Who's that? I just saw something on my beauty table that I just got a couple months ago. It looks like I had it for years. Anyway.
I'm not gonna let that get me down because I just look so fabulous. Right? Right. Alright guys, so until the next video, until the next Ipsy video, if you clicked on this video because it was Ipsy, I'll catch you on the next one. I'll catch you on the next Ipsy. I will catch you on the next Ipsy series. Yeah. Alright. By the way guys, this is the look of the day. Here. Strike pose, there's nothing to it. Vogue. Yeah. This is it. I cut a hole in the top of my hat, by the way, to put my little pom-pom out. Alright, gotta go.